If your Chevy Traverse Z71 refuses to start, don't panic until you check these 4 common culprits. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues in modern SUVs are linked to simple electrical connection failures. Let's break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by checking for loose battery terminals, testing your key fob, and listening for clicks when you turn the ignition. Corroded ground straps, faulty starter relays, and blown ignition fuses are your top suspects on the Traverse. If the basics check out, consider the starter motor, the neutral safety switch, or even a damaged engine control module. You can easily handle relay swaps and terminal cleaning at home, but leave starter motor replacements to the professionals. Costs range from a cheap $20 relay up to $500 for a professional starter replacement. Use an OBD scanner to pull codes and a multimeter to verify that power is actually reaching the starter solenoid. Ensure you have a basic socket set, a wire brush for terminals, and a reliable multimeter before starting your work. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so always test your battery voltage before assuming the worst. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components and stay safe out there.